informative, engaging, empowering. This is the VA Radio. Keep it light.
Monday morning, coffee's brewing strong. Got my headphones on, hope nothing goes wrong. News and tips coming through the stream. Productivity, high chasing that dream. In the district, buzz lighting up the sky. New trends rising, can't let them pass by. Personality development, that's the key. Unlocking doors to where you wanna be. Turn it up, yeah, elevate the airwaves. Feel the vibe, let it brighten up your days. On the ride, keeping thoughts light and free. It's the VA Radio, where you wanna be. Turn it up, yeah, elevate the airwaves. Feel the vibe, let it brighten up your days. On the ride, keeping thoughts light and free. It's the VA Radio, where you wanna be. Midday slump, don't let it creep. Sage advice for dreams you wanna keep. Interviews with the pros on the rise, helping you to see through clearer eyes. Inspiration flowing through the wire. Words that lift you, taking you higher. Tune and listen, it's a daily routine, where the VA Radio boosting your scene. Turn it up, yeah, elevate the airways. Feel the vibe, let it brighten up your days. On the ride, keeping thoughts light and free. It's the VA Radio, where you wanna be. Turn it up, yeah, elevate the airways. Feel the vibe, let it brighten up your days. On the ride, keeping thoughts light and free. It's the VA Radio, where you wanna be. Brewing strong. Got my headphones on, hope nothing goes wrong. We're the VA Radio boosting your scene. It's the VA Radio, where you wanna be. VA Radio, where you wanna be.
You're tuned into the heartbeat of innovation. The Pioneers Hub with Marjorie.
So, hi, good evening, everyone. Hello. Yeah, and welcome to the VA Radio. It's Thursday. Ayon. So again, this is another Thursday segment for the Pioneers Hub with Marjorie. So before I will start, I'd like to invite everyone to please share this live stream to your friends, especially those aspiring VAs. So para at least naman may karoon sila ng idea kung paano ba maging VA, or and especially this segment, this night would be interesting since ang kakausapin natin tonight is masyadong matagal na sa industry. So I'd like to share a few things about Pioneers Hub. What is this all about? So Pioneers Hub is committed to showcasing founders, innovators, trailblazers, and community builders who are shaping the virtual assistants and freelancing industry. So our goal here is to honor the visionaries driving impactful businesses while inspiring and empowering the next generation of leaders in this ever evolving field. So, ayun, sa walay pagduha-duha, gusto na ako introduce ang atong guest tonight. All right. I'd like to call on the founder and the director and CEO of the Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Let's give a hand to Sir Kirk Roldan.
Yay, everyone! I'm here. Thank you so much, Miss Marjorie, for inviting me here and also the VA Radio Show. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's creating this, the best show for VA and freelancing. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Sir Kirk. Since I've heard kasi, sir, na masyadong matagal ka na sa industry at the same time, yung tawag nito, masyadong malaki na din yung community mo. So, hindi kami nag-expect or Bisaya mo ka, sir, no?
Yes, Bisaya from Surigao City.
from
Bisaya
Surigao
diha.
City.
Oo.
Shout out sa taga Surigao. So, wala kami nag-expect na kanang makig-collaborate ka sa MUA since kanang murag famous naman daw ka, sir. Ganun.
Ingon nila, pero dili good.
Diba?
Normal
So,
lang, normal lang.
actually, tingala ko ganun familiar ka, then wala ko nag-expect na ikaw din ako ang interview tonight or akong kachika na lang. Kaya nakita na ako na nag-post si Coach Jenny sa
Okay.
yung katong VA ma'am, katong life as a katong work from home. Si Coach Jenny
Mm-mm.
kanya, nakita
Oo.
na ako na marag na akay pa training po this coming
Oo.
July 19. So ano ko, okay, mo din familiar si Sir. Kaya dito po din ako siya nakita. Pag-check na ako sa sa Facebook. So ayun, again, thank you so much, Sir Kirk. So maybe we'll start. So ang akong first pangutana is, basig pwede ka makashare about your freelancing journey. Pwede, na lang sir, mix na lang natin Tagalog, Bisaya, English para for those
Sige. Pwede.
viewers natin. Oo. Basig dili sila makasabot yung naga-Bisaya ta.
Oo,
Sige po.
sige. Sige, thank you so much, no? Again, Ma'am Marjorie, for the great introduction about me. So, by the way, everyone, this is my first live here on the VA Radio. So, I'm very excited and happy to share everything that I know here. So, if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment box below, and we are going to answer it. Okay. So, yeah, about your first question, Ma'am Marjorie. So, my journey, I started as a freelancer way back 2011. So right now I believe it's 15 years now, no?
Mm-mm.
So, but before being a freelancer, I was a nursing graduate, and I
Oh.
said to myself, yeah, nursing graduate ako, ma'am, pero never ako nag-take ng licensure examination because I believe in myself. Kapag nag-take ako ng licensure examination, I'm going to pass that, and I will go to abroad. But I don't have any intention to to follow my friends, my colleagues, my family members na nag-abroad sila, because I believe na you can earn money here in the Philippines or in the comfort of your home, no? So that's why
Yeah.
I look forward on how to make money online way back 2011. So that's the start of my career, no? Marami din akong dinaanan way back 2011. Working for one job that time. But yeah, before that, I have a friend, no, na siya yung nagpapaaral sa sarili niya, and marami siyang pera, and also he is my neighbor. So I asked him, "Hey, what did you do? Why you have a lot of money?" And he said, "I just go to Odesk." So everyone, familiar pa kayo kay Odesk? Hindi na?
Familiar daw sila. Ako hindi ako
Familiar.
familiar.
Si Odesk, guys, yan yung Upwork ngayon. So, Upwork yan.
Okay.
So, before that was Odesk, no? So, 2011, that was Odesk. So, he introduced me to Odesk, and I started from there, no? Na-remember ko pa that time, wala talaga akong knowledge sa freelancing or VA. And I asked him, paano ba yung gagawin? So sinabi niya sa akin na mag-create daw ako o mag-apply ka lang doon. But I applied every single day for 1 month but no one responded to my application. Because I just said there, hire me because I'm an expert. Even though I don't have any experience, what is VA, what is freelancing, what is SEO. So I asked him again, hey, walang nag-reply. So he said again, create a resume. So I created a resume, nag-apply uli ako for a month and someone responded to my application. So that time, grabe, napaka-pursigi ko noon kasi I'm very interested to work for free. But the good thing, binigyan niya ako ng $1 per hour and it started from there. So imagine yung goal ko lang that time is merong pera kahit na konti kasi as a third year college that time, malaki na yun eh. Like, siguro umabot ng 1,000 to 1,500 peso a week. Kasi that time, nag-aaral pa ako, kumukuha lang ako ng pera sa parents ko. Yan lang. Tapos imagine, meron kong 1,500 a week. So, napakalaki na yun. Kasi,
malaki na yun before.
may extra money ako everyday, 20 pesos. Tapos, wala akong pang-date. The goal is, may pang-date lang ako sa girlfriend ko that time. Ngayon, asawa ko na siya. So, it started from there, no? Being a freelancer was fun and nagsimula kami sa isang client and laging sinabi ko sa kanya or sinabi ko sa sarili ko hindi enough yung isang client, so nagpa-increase ako. So from 10 hours a week, so we started from 10 hours a week, $1 per hour, naging $2 per hour, naging $3 hanggang sa from 10 hours naging 20, 30, 40 $40 per hour. So napakalaki na yon, no? So hanggang sa from one client to getting 2 clients, 3 clients, hanggang sa hindi ko na siya matrabaho ng ako lang. So that's why I started building my agency. So from being a freelancer to shifting to an agency owner. So magkaiba na silang mga strategies. So but then again, gumawa ko ng agency kasi I can't handle doing it alone and working with multiple clients. In just 1 year as a freelancer, I earned my first million in freelancing. Kasi yung Odes kasi that time, isang client alone, you can earn like even 100K, 150, one client, tapos naging dalawa pa siya. And I go directly as an SEO specialist. So nagsimula ako doon sa SEO specialist. Hindi na ako nag-general VA. And then, I buy courses, no? I failed a lot. And napakahirap ng journey ko kasi walang masyadong coaches dati eh. YouTube lang. Hindi YouTube pareho ngayon na napakarami na talaga nagtuturo. And the downside din doon kasi yung iba hindi na sineseryoso kasi marami ng information sa YouTube, marami nang tuturo, pero that time sa amin konti lang yung YouTube, walang nagtuturo online, pero we are pursigido talaga kami matuto kasi konti lang yung information. Tapos bumili pa ako ng courses that time about SEO. I remember 30,000 yung first kong na-invest buying course for SEO. The bad thing lang doon kasi one response in a month yung support. Napaka-importante yung support sa atin, pero nagre-reply yung kasi US na course yon, tapos syempre nag-need ka ng help and then nagre-reply once a month. So napakahirap talaga. Hindi katulad ngayon, isang chat mo lang sa Facebook, andun na yung mga responses from you. So I guess that would be all, no? I started as a freelancer way back 2011 and then shifted to agency.
Yung pag-shift mo, sir, from a freelancer to agency owner, anong year ba yun? Kailan ba yun
nag-start? Honestly, marami akong agency dati. So nagfi-failed sila kasi I don't have a clear vision. Yung goal ko lang dati is to make money para may pang-date nga ako, tapos para pag may magasto ako, hindi pala ibig sabihin na meron kang pera, hindi maubos yan. If you don't have a goal,
Mm.
if you don't have the right system, the right process in your mind, ito talaga yung mindset. So, nag-fail ka talaga. So, even though you're earning a lot of money every month, like 6 figures, no, 150, 200, 200K, pero naubos pala yun. So, wala akong goal that time, no? So, yun, I created my first agency way back, I think it's 2014. So, yung domain ko
Mm.
dati is upmarketing.org or upmarketing.org. And then after a year, hindi ko na siya na-renew, tapos mayroong bumili. Tapos last time I checked, nasa broker na kasi siya, umabot ng I believe that was 400,000 for that domain
Mm.
only,
Mm.
upmarketing.org. So hindi ko siya makalimutan. So 2014 I believe, no, tapos nawala yung agency ko kasi hindi ako focus, back to freelancing uli, tapos gumawa na naman ako ng sarili kong agency. Isang agency na naman siya, so nag-fail uli
Mm.
hanggang sa mga 2008, 2016 siguro, 2017, yung kirkroldan.com ko, I started from there. Doon na siya nagsimula pag-grow. 2017 I believe, tapos
Okay.
2018. Right now, we are an office-based company here in Surigao City.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Saan banda sa Surigao, sir?
Surigao sa city talaga, sa city. Mm,
Okay, okay.
yes. So, but I have also staff sa Vietnam, sa Bali, sa Thailand,
Mhm.
sa Philippines din in general. So, yeah, in total, we are about 200 plus staff here, 200 plus staff here already in total.
So, okay. Madami-dami na din pala.
Oo, but yung
So,
office base lang namin ngayon is nasa 50 plus lang. 50 plus yung office
okay.
base.
50 plus yung nasa office on-site tapos yung
Mm.
mga 150 siguro or 100 something is
Mga
work from home
200
sila.
200 plus kami total, 200 plus.
Okay, okay.
Oo.
Pero
Mm.
ano ba yung ano sir, parang napagdaanan mo or yung mga struggles mo before creating those agencies until such time na parang nagkaroon ka na ng vision to create this agency na meron ka ngayon?
Maraming struggle eh. Like
Mm.
before, nahihirapan ako mag-shift from being a freelancer to agency owner.
Mm.
Napaka-different talaga nila. Kasi that time when I first hired my first VA before, no, nahihirapan ako kasi I don't want to hire someone kasi yung salary na ano siya, instead na ikaw lang yung pinapasahuran mo, may mga tao ka na, 'di ba? So, yan yung
Yeah.
first mindset ko. Yan yung mistake din kasi hindi ko na-realize na kapag marami ka palang tao, no, you can disseminate all the tasks to them, tapos ikaw
Yeah.
magfo-focus ka na lang, which what you're best at, like getting clients, closing deals. So yun yung first
Mm.
mistake ko, and bored out, no? Kasi I don't know how to get clients before. So
Mm.
nagre-rely lang ako sa freelancing sites, no, but there's no problem doing that, but I want to be out there, no, like being or having a visibility outside our Odesk, and
Mm.
building my own profile or personal brand. So a lot of burnout, like how to scale on getting
Mm.
more clients, not relying on freelancing site.
Mhm.
And yeah, may mga staff din ako dati kasi I don't have any training, building an agency. Na-scam pa ako before, no, sa mga staff ko, my first staff.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, kasi hindi ka marunong tapos nag-hire ka pa ng tao outside SEO.
Mm.
So napakahirap kasi hindi ka marunong tapos nag-hire ka pa. So yeah, they are not providing the result that I'm expecting. And
Mm.
then if I'm also going to learn that, hindi ko na siya ano talaga forte kasi outside SEO na siya. Focus lang kasi
Mm.
ako sa SEO eh. So ayun, maraming maraming failures, maraming disappointments and challenges. Walang nagtuturo talaga sa akin, honestly.
Mm.
Nagre-rely ako sa ano, sa courses na binibili ko but,
Oo.
watching YouTube. Mahirap kasi sa YouTube, eh, kasi pautod-utod or yung hindi continue yung training
Oo.
unless if you buy,
Putol, putol.
yeah, putol-putol yun. And
So if may courses ka na nabili, yun is mas okay talaga kasi consistent yung ano,
yes,
hindi siya
mas
na
mas better yung
putol-putol.
course but you need to make sure that course has a right or a good support that they can
Mm.
reply to you. Yan yung dapat na mangyari. So marami na ngayon dito no na nagte-training and they have a good support system which is really great.
Since you've mentioned about nung na-scam kayo, sir, since I've heard a lot of tawag nito, mga CEOs din, mga founders ng isang agency na na-scam sila. So I think like almost 5 people na yung nakausap ko. Hindi ko pa na-interview yung iba, pero yung iba na-interview na dito na
Mm.
na-scam daw sila. Paano ba, yung saan yung pag-handle, sir? Paano niyo ba ni-handle yung ganong mga scam na nangyari?
Um, I let go. I let go of what happened. It's a part
Mm.
of challenges that you need to overcome. No, as a businessman, you need
Mm.
to think outside the box. So if na-scam ka, it's okay.
Move
No,
forward
it's
na lang tayo.
yeah, it's a learning curve for you to not happen again in the future. But
Mm.
you need to make sure na nagle-learn ka from that para hindi na siya mangyari. And you need to build a proper system, no, a proper process. So if,
Mm.
if you're hiring someone, you need to make sure that you check the background, you check the
Yeah.
history, the testimonial. Ngayon, marami na kaming precautionary measure na chine-check sa mga staff namin, like
Mm.
checking their history talaga, their background, no, or tinatawagan pa namin yung mga previous na mga company na nagtatrabaho sila, and we will
Mm.
we will also test them if they are capable of what they are saying during the interview, mga ganon.
Yes.
They have experience working for 3 years, 4 years. Yeah, so yun. And yeah, you need to overcome a lot of challenges talaga. Like before sa agency namin, when I first built it, walang process, walang system, walang
Mm.
SOP, walang right mindset even ako dati. So yan yung mga problem ko. So we created a system talaga. Systemized na kung gagawin mo to, paano mo siya paulit-ulitin na
Oo.
mangyayari ulit. Hindi yung napakahirap, hindi yung marami pagpasikot-sikot, hindi yung na mahirap intindihin. So you need to make
Mm.
a right or simple, easy, duplicatable process and system. Tapos ngayon gumagawa din kami ng SOP para, let's say for example, this person nag-quit sa company mo. It's okay.
Mm.
You have
Yeah.
the SOP documented from
Documented.
from how to do SEO, from onboarding clients during this doing discovery call, sales
Yeah.
close, process, system, all documented. Kasi para everyone is replaceable here in the company, including me. If hindi ko kayo sinusuporta even a couple of days, then I
Mm.
can fire myself there, no? Kasi
Yeah.
I'm not the right person for you. So yeah, that's very important. If you are interested to build your own agency from scratch, build first the SOP, document everything,
Yeah.
um, process and system.
Yeah.
Yun, and hire the right people. Yan yung isa kong natutunan sa mga training. Kasi yung before kasi nangyayari, yung mga hina-hire naming staff before, no, yung experience ko kasi if I'm the one hiring them or marami kaming
Mm.
tao, nadadagdagan yung mga task ko.
Oo.
So instead na free ka sa task na yon, but nadadagdagan pa siya kasi may hinahire kang
Mm.
iba. So it's not a proper way. So dapat meron ka ng mga tao, sila na dapat yung sasalo sa and you need to focus
Yes.
with what your strength are. So yan yung isa kong
Mm.
mistake before. So hiring the right people talaga, and they need to think outside the box. They need to lead. Sila dapat or ikaw dapat yung nakikinig sa kanila. Hindi yung
Mm.
ikaw yung palaging may sinishare, kasi you need them to think outside the box. They can create a strategy. Kahit bobo ka pwede kasi sila na yung
Yeah.
nagma-manage for you. Oo. So yan yung mga ginagawa namin ngayon sa culture sa company namin that everyone here are collaborating even without us. No, pwede na kaming mawala sa company ngayon for like a couple of days or weeks or even months
Yeah.
kasi those people na nagtatrabaho sa amin, they know their vision, our mission, vision and goals,
Mm.
and also the culture that we want them to to do on a daily basis.
Kaya
Mm.
nga, I would agree sa sinabi mo, sir, na you have to hire the right people. Kasi sila din kasi yung, yun nga, tutulong sa'yo in terms of the process, the SOPs, the system,
Totoo.
ganun. Kasi, mahirap din eh. Kasi, ngayon kasi, hindi kasi pwede na parang mag-hire lang tayo ng mga staff, ng mga tao kasi naawa tayo sa kanila. Kailangan nila ng trabaho. Kailangan na talaga ngayon ng mga skills na parang before ka, for example, for freelancers or aspiring VAs pala, gusto nilang maging VA pero wala pa silang
Mm.
mga offer. Yung ganun. So, of course, you have to learn those skills bago ka parang sumabak sa gera. Ganun.
Totoo.
So, ganun siya. So, um, yun, thank you for sharing that, sir. I know na medyo madami na tayong na chika-chika na. Pero before we'll proceed to my next question, shout out muna natin dito sila, si Coach Marie, and we have,
Hi, Coach Marie.
si Sir Rogie Roldan.
Yeah, my brother. Hey, thank you for watching.
Oh,
Uh,
si brother, and Kenneth Roldan.
Kenneth then. Hello.
From Russia with Love Oil and Gas Project, electrical technician, double ultra Batans. So,
Complete.
complete talaga.
Ah,
O kasi actually, may ka-churchmate din ako na Roldan din yung last name. Actually,
mm.
network leader namin I'm not sure if kilala ba si Patrick Roldan. Ganun.
Mm.
So, from Davao din. So, another shout out din kay Jenny Febra Paku Laba. Hi, Sir Kurt Roldan, watching here from Cagayan.
Thank you, Jenny, for watching.
Grabe, medyo madami na talaga yung ano nyo, sir, yung tawag nito, yung mga followers nyo, and of course yung community na na-build nyo ba. Yung may tanong kasi ako, sir, may nakita ako about School of Prophets.
Mhm.
What is this
Yun.
all about pala?
Sige, gusto ko siyang i-share and discuss to you guys. So, kasi ma'am, I just want to be very honest then. Yeah, one of the reason why I outreach you is because I saw that you are providing a lot of value dito sa the VA Radio and you are empowering a lot of people and yan dapat yung ginagawa ko. But the problem that I'm doing kaya ko ini-stop na din kasi ma'am yeah before kasi like way back 2019 yung goal ko talaga is to do training, video, seminar, international, focus ko outside the Philippines. So yan yung ginagawa ko for 6 years now. And I'm always catching butterflies, no? Like I want to be there. Gusto kong mag-training kasi I'm also in Vietnam, Bali, Indonesia. Pupunta
Mm-mm.
din ako ng India and Phuket, Thailand just to train people
Mm.
in SEO and
Oh.
agency building. So yun yung mga ginagawa ko and to tell you honestly, yung mga ginagawa ko na ngayon, I don't want that to happen anymore because I'm not happy. I just do that kasi before yung goal ko is to help individuals or company outside the Philippines. Yan yung goal ko kasi
Mm.
andun kasi yung maraming clients eh. Andun kasi yung opportunity, andun kasi
Yeah.
yung malaking rates. So honestly, that's what the reason why I'm doing that before. But right now I'm
Mm.
really sick and tired of doing that. One of that is I'm not happy with what I'm doing. Only that, no? Training international people, going to conferences, no? Yeah, hindi ako 'yun. So hindi ako 'yun. And
Mm.
right now, actually every year ko siyang natithink eh, but hindi ko siya nabibitawan kasi meron din akong group, konting small people, like 80 people that they are that paying me every month, no,
Mm-mm.
for the access. So hindi ko siya mabitaw-bitawan. But right now I'm really convinced and focused to shift from helping international people to local. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So right now, gumawa ko ng community. It's called School of Prophets that Academy.
Profits.
To help people naman dito sa Pilipinas. I want to focus on helping a lot of mga taong gusto matuto on how to make money online. It's either in
Mm-mm.
freelancing, VA, agency, e-commerce, basta legit 'yan. I can support you with that, no, kasi I have 15 years of experience in this industry naman. So
Mm-mm.
gusto ko siyang kasi marami talaga ako naiisip na concept and also strategy on how I can help people in the Philippines din. So it's a
Mm-mm.
free community, guys. Hindi ko to ginagawa just to sell you a course.
Wow.
Even pupunta kayo sa community na yan, walang mga courses diyan na paid kasi nagbi-build pa rin kami ng video. So I'm going to add a lot of videos there, free
Videos.
videos for you to learn. And yeah, it's not about the money, it's not about the fame anymore, but naga-grounding na din kasi ako, ma'am. So I'm doing meditation.
Mm-mm.
Yan din yung isang reason ko kasi last year I found out about discovery, self-improvement, self-mastery, tapos meditation.
Yung
I made
I am
yeah, yung
discovery,
I am
ganun.
plus,
Ah,
yes, so by
yeah, yeah,
Coach Plus. So dun ko
yeah.
nalaman na it's not about like getting a lot of money, being
Yes.
there, speaking at international conference, having this, having that. So ngayon
Mm-mm.
naga-grounding ako, ayan, nakakatulong talaga siya kasi it's already enough. Kahit siguro maglalakad ako papuntang like may pupuntahan ako or naglalakad lang ako ng nakatsinelas, or pagpupunta ko sa province namin, last week andun kasi kami. Wala akong tsinelas, and that is okay. Hindi necessary na
Mm-mm.
meron kang habayanas, hindi necessary na meron kang magandang sapatos. Yeah, it's okay, no? But as long as na wala ka namang inapakang tao, and yeah, it's more about you, no? So ngayon
Mm.
I'm very happy with what I'm doing. Focus na lang ako sa mga taong matters, no? Nagma-matter sa
Yeah.
akin, and also yung mga tao na yeah, sinusupport yung vision ko. So yung School of Community din, tinitest ko siya kasi sooner or like 3 to 5 years from now, the goal is to make a school in Surigao City talaga that you can
Mm.
enroll, no? So marami
Yeah.
kasi dito, ma'am, na mga undergrad, graduate, may mga magagandang courses, but the problem is that they don't mga standby. They don't know how to make money.
Oo.
Kasi walang
Yeah. Mm.
ginagawa. So the plan is to make a school here locally where they can go, they can enroll like TESDA, 'di ba?
Oo.
But yung mga training and curriculum is online, like how to do VA, how to
Yeah.
e-commerce. Yeah, and for that, no, if they can earn 20, 30, 40,000 every month, malaking tulong na 'yun sa kanila. Marami na tayong
Yes,
matulungan. So
totoo.
that's the plan. So kaya ngayon tinetest ko siya, I building the community online muna kasi if nagwo-work to, magwo-work din 'yan. So
Mm. Mm.
that's the vision behind the School of Prophets, that academy. So that's why I'm building the community. So yeah, and papasalamat din ako, ma'am, kasi andito ako ngayon. I'm sharing this to everyone who's interested to learn the
Mm.
training, but it's free. Wala kayong babayaran. So ayun yung link sinishare ni sir, no? So thank you so much for doing that. School of Prophets that academy.
Yes, please visit School of Profits at Academy. So for those aspiring VAs and gusto din magtayo ng agency. Actually, the VA Radio, sir, we are supporting communities like this din. Kasi we're also a startup community kasi. So nahiya kami kay gamay pa lang sudpud mig followers gani, sir. So konti pala
Mm.
yung followers namin. So kanina nag-usap kami ni Kuya Ray na parang nahiya kami, parang nahiya ako, Marge, kasi si Sir Kirk nag-reach out sa atin. Tapos, kasi si VA Radio, hindi din kasi kami tawag nito yung parang pera-pera lang din kasi we're
Mm.
also want to help those aspiring VAs na ngayon mag-pursue talaga yung gusto nila na maging VA. Then through the VA radio, they can watch videos din. Nag-upload din kami ng videos sa YouTube namin, even Facebook sa aming mga social media. And we have this School of Profits na parang additional, na parang wow, this is another way para maka-learn din. Kasi iba-iba din kasi yung tinuturo, di ba? So,
Totoo.
madaming source yung aspiring VAs natin, even aspiring agency owners. Ako, last year, we actually started a small agency din pero
Oh, wow.
na-stop
Congrats.
namin. Na-stop,
Okay.
na-stop din namin, sir, kasi parang yun nga, yun din yung struggles paghahanap ng client. But we're looking forward na baka lang na ibalik namin maybe this year or next year once siguro baka join na ako ng School of Profits to learn more about tawag nito creating agency kasi wala din kasi akong idea. So
Mm.
yun lang parang nag-start lang agad-agad kasi we have someone also reach out to us kasi even my husband ano siya VA din kasi siya isang
Okay.
VA so nag-reach out yung best friend niya. So, we're looking forward na baka may ma-learn din ako. Siguro mag-join ako sa group na to and then may click ditong join group para may makita din ako ng mga videos about how to build an agency or how to start an agency.
Mm.
So, my another question, sir, is where do you see your community or even the School of Profits maybe a year or 2 to 3 years from now, ganon?
My future goal. Yan sinabi ko na yung yung pinaka goal ko talaga to build a local school here in Surigao City. No, help individuals who wants to make money online in Surigao, no. Yeah, but 2 to 3 years from now, I see the group like or we can be like even 50,000 people na nasa group from right now kasi ma'am konti
Mm,
pa lang talaga, konti pa yung videos. But yeah, the goal is to help for a year or two like meron tayong na nagawang 500 plus na milyonaryo in
yeah.
e-commerce, in freelancing or in agency building or affiliate or anything na legal na ginagawa sa online, no? So yun,
Yes.
yan yung isang goal natin 2 to 3 years from now, building 500 plus millionaires na with the help of this community. And
Mm,
yeah, focus on innovation. Marami kasi ngayong mga pwede nating gawin. Like ngayon meron ng AI tools that can help us to build a real business or
yeah.
a business that you can get millions of profit. So and
Mm,
also goal is to help people to scale then or yung mga taong mga small business owners na to scale their business, no,
mm,
without overworking, no, and without stress kasi I'm going to apply kung ano yung mga natutunan ko sa IAM sa Discovery dito sa community na to. So bali hindi lang talaga siya about skills but meron ding
mm,
mga mindsetting, mga
yeah.
mga leadership, mga discovery, meditation. So para kasi
Meditation.
marami kasi din ako nakilala na mga milyonaryo ngayon. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually I'm talking to them a couple of days ago, but they are really stressed, they're really depressed with what they are doing. Kasi
Mm,
yun nga, same sa nangyari sa akin, I'm not happy with like going to conferences, no. And last speak ko nga sa SASCON, ayan na not SASCON but yung sa iGaming conference na
mm,
last June lang pumunta ako sa Maynila from Surigao. But nasanayan ko na siya, hindi ko na tinatayong nung sarili ko. But during that time kasi yung presentation ko is not ready, not prepared. So natapos siya during that day talaga like 7
mm,
a.m. Nagising ako by 4 a.m. Ginawa ko yung presentation until 7 a.m. Tapos yung speak ko by 1 a.m. 1 p.m. ata yun. So
mm,
4 a.m. nagising ako ng napaka madaling araw and I said to myself, bakit ko to ginagawa? Diba?
Mm,
But I
mm,
need to go there, but I need to present this to those people na hindi ko naman kaano-ano, hindi ko naman I am not happy doing that. No, siguro kung mga Pilipino ata yung mga ano na yon or yung mga freelance or mga VA, siguro matutuwa pa
mm.
ako. But they have
Yeah.
their own business, they are successful, no, and I'm not interested doing that. So, yeah, kasi pero in-invite ako wala akong magagawa. So, yun. Yan yung last event ko, June. So, I don't want to do that again.
To do that
Depende
again, yeah.
depende sa mag-i-invite kung like sinabi niyo kanina
If
ma'am, hindi naman gano'n kalaki yung community niyo but andito ako. But because I like this, no? I want to be there.
thank you po.
Yan yung gusto ko
Mm.
kasi you're empowering a lot of people, mga Pilipinong tao na gusto niyong tulungan. We have the same vision. That's why mas pipiliin ko pa to kaysa magpunta pa ako doon, mag-speak kasi napakarami yung tao na yun umabot ng 20,000.
Mm.
20,000
Oo.
lahat plus yung visitors nandoon. Napakalaking event, 2 floor sa ano pa yun? Nasa SM lang yung malaking ano doon. So
Sa MOA ba yon? Yung
sa
sa
MOA,
SM,
oo.
sa MOA,
SMX, yeah, SMX,
SMX,
dalawang floor
SMX.
napupuno yun. Sa
Pupuno.
pinakataas, meron pa sa ibaba straight yung event
Mm.
na lang nila. So grabe. And yan yung mga goals ko, yan yung mga vision ko sa community. So hopefully maraming mag-join and with your help no marami tayong maabutang marami tayong mga information na ma-share sa mga tao.
Yeah, yeah. Oo, kasi yung sinabi mo kanina, sir, na about yung sa I Am Discovery, I also heard that one, pero hindi lang ako nag-join. Pero
Mm.
before that, we were having a parang small group lang. Then they were inviting us. Kaso yun nga, parang hindi magtugma yung schedule ko. So there are ano din pala, maganda yung group din nila, and actually gusto ko talaga kasi doon talaga parang makita mo yung about meditation, yung mind
Yes.
setting. Parang madami kang malu-learn from those people din eh.
Totoo.
Feeling hindi mo kailangan ng parang um, personal coach sa life mo, pero you need someone pala. Like especially
Totoo.
sa atin na working from home, ikaw sir, you have an agency, so kailangan natin to, and
Totoo.
nagtugma din yung parang nagtugma din kasi yung vision natin with helping um, Filipinos go Pinoys instead of helping those outside, di
Mm.
ba?
Mm.
So, which is, yun, na-appreciate din namin, sir, na nag-reach out ka sa amin about this. So, ano
Mm.
na lang, sir, final na lang, baka may gusto kang advice or ma-share for aspiring VAs and for those aspiring agency owner or mga community builder po.
Yun. Sige. So, yes, yeah, actually ma'am, napakaganda talaga ng discovery. So, I encourage everyone to start this as well. So, if you have an anxiety, depression, merong stress
Yeah.
kayo sa work, so you need to incorporate that kasi one of the thing that I learned from attending that seminar is that karamihan pala sa problema natin ngayon, no, is nanggagaling rason yan nung bata pa tayo. So, like
Mm.
sinabi nila, meron tayong mga childhood trauma, no? Like for example, ngayon, ba't madali akong magalit? Ba't ganito?
Mm.
Ba't ganito ako? Ba't hindi ako kapareho sa kanila? Ba't sila ganyan? Ako ganito. So, sinabi niya sa akin, yung si Coach Ras, na it's because of your childhood. So, kung ano mga nangyari ngayon, reflection yan kung ano ka ngayon. So, you need to heal kung ano ka before. You need to heal kung ano ka ngayon, no? So,
Mm.
yun, grabe okay, ganito pala. So, that time nung sa event, yun, you need to pwede mong patawarin yung mga taong may galit ka sa kanila. But not to the point na you will call them and say, hey, pinapatawad na kita. No. Pagpapatawad ka sa kanila with yourself para ikaw
Yeah.
mawala na yun sa'yo. Kasi the moment na meron pa, it will always affect you personally kasi.
Yeah.
Meron yan sa study. Hindi siya connected. Di ba kung matingnan na, anong connected sa pag forgiveness? tapos ngayon magiging ganito ako. No,
Mm-mm.
it is connected kasi for example ngayon meron kang kaaway or meron kang kagalit na tao. So if hindi yun mawala sa isipan mo at sa puso mo, maapektuhan yung ibang part ng life mo eh. So okay. So yun, kasama siya sa meditation namin. And yun, childhood traumas, nawawala yan and then you will also change, no? So grabe nang iyakan yung event na yun, and yun, napakaganda. So my advice to everyone who's
Yeah.
here and interested mag-start ng freelancing or VA or gustong mag-build ng agency from scratch, no? Start with passion and purpose. So focus kayo sa strength nyo. So hindi
Mm-mm.
madali yung papasukin nyo, guys. Kasi if the goal is to make money only, or yung first mong goal is to make money, wag ka na lang mag-freelance. Kasi hindi ganun yun. Hindi ganun yun. Mawawala ka talaga sa proseso. Like yung nangyari sa akin, no? 2011 I start my freelancing career, but nag-failed ako. Pwede pala yun? Yes, pwede yun. Nagsi-six figures ka a month pero nag-failed ka pa rin. Yes. Kasi yung
Yeah.
goal mo is to make money. Hindi yung goal mo is purpose, passion. So first, you need
Mm.
to know your purpose. You need to know your why you are doing this. Ano yung mga nakakapag-excite sa'yo. Kasi guys, this is a long-term game. If papasok kayo sa game na to, hindi lang yung 1 month, 2 months. But think about
Yeah.
5 years from now, 10 years from now. And ito na din yung continuation niya kasi you need to choose a niche. O wag,
Mm.
siguro may mga general VA na papasok dito soon, but walang problema doon, basta legit lang, walang problema. But for me, you need to focus on having a niche, no?
Yeah.
Having a
Mm-mm.
niche, yan yung nakapag-build sa'yo, yan yung makapag-scale sa'yo in the long run. Kasi yung mga clients ngayon, pipiliin nila na you are into that industry. Iko-compare ka, like ikaw, focus ka sa SEO, ito, general VA, tapos mayroong job posting about sa SEO. Syempre, ikaw yung i-hire kasi you have a
Yes.
specialty with SEO. No? Next, invest in learning, improve your skills all the time. So,
Mm.
if kung libre man yan, like kung pwede ka lang magtrabaho kahit libre, pasukin mo, matuto ka lang. Wag yung
Yes.
okay, maliit lang yung salary, ayoko na diyan pumasok kasi maliit yung salary eh. But guys, don't think that kasi in the future makukuha mo din yan. If para talaga sa'yo yung rate na yan, magiging sa'yo yan. But for now, if you're
Yeah.
a beginner, it's okay kahit libre yan kasi nangyari yan sa akin. Yung goal ko
Yeah.
dati, o yung first nangyari, sinabi ko nga kanina na gusto kong matuto. Yung first na sa akin na nag-reply sa job posting, sinabi ko, I can work for you for free. But binigyan niya ako ng $1 per hour. Kasi I want to learn. I want to learn. No? So,
Yeah.
for you guys, just learn. Wag mo na intindihin kahit maliit yung sahod. No?
Yeah.
Just improve. Invest in learning. If you have a budget right now, buy course, but pipiliin nyo din, check nyo yung background sa mga courses. No? Meron namang Udemy, meron namang free courses muna if wala talaga tayo ma-invest. No? And reinvest, like kumita na kayo, reinvest into learning. No, reinvest into learning, no? Like ngayon nga sa company, we are still investing training, seminars and everything just to help the staff that we have here, no? So continue pa rin yung learning. And then be patient and consistent. Huwag kang matapos like I'm nag-apply na ako for 5 months but wala pa rin akong clients na kukuha. It's okay, no? You need to be consistent, patient, and strategy, baka hindi nag-work to kasi mali yung ginawa mo, kulang ka pa sa knowledge, so learn ka pa, no? But wag talaga mag-post. And lastly, you need to have someone or a mentor who can teach you.
Yes.
So a mentor is very important para hindi nyo na mangyari yung mga nangyari sa amin before kasi napakahirap yung pinagdaanan namin. So if you have a mentor, if you have someone, learn from that person kasi ilalayo kanya dun sa mga mistakes na nangyari sa kanya before. So shortcut kanya. So you can go to the community again. So kasi yung pinag-uusapan namin dun yung mga nangyari na mga tama para maiwasan mo na yung mga mali mo dati. And so and have a self improvement, self mastery talaga. Beyond learning everything, magbigay ka ng time for yourself, no?
Yeah.
Outside VA, outside freelancing, think self-care is very important para mo ma-achieve 'yan. So, yeah, I do wake up every day 5 a.m., no? Tapos 6 a.m. Yeah, meditation 30 to 1 hour to 6 a.m. nagja-jog ako or
Jogging.
gym.
Yeah.
And then followed na yung mga meeting, mga seminar, and then 6 p.m. with my family or 7 p.m. Then get together with them, then matutulog ng 8
Yeah.
to 9 a.m. That's it. Yan.
Mm.
So hopefully
So,
guys, no, I apply niyo yung mga pinag-usapan natin dito kasi this is very valuable, and makapag-realize din kayo na okay, tama ba yung ginagawa ko, mali pala yon, mga ganon. So yeah, this is very important na you need
mm,
to follow the VA radio, and also Ma'am Marjorie, because they are sharing value bombs dito sa community. Check niyo yung mga previous trainings nila as well.
yeah. Yeah, I agree with you, sir, no, kasi yung sinabi mo nga dito, ibalik ko lang, start with passion and purpose. Kinoment ko invest in learning, improve your skills. You have to be patient and consistent, and you need someone or a mentor.
Mm.
Agree ako dun lahat kasi importante talaga yun eh. You have to, of course, yun nga, kahit maliit or free lang yung first job mo, okay lang yan kasi dun talaga nagsisimula lahat. Parang swerte na nga lang ako na nag-start ako as a free, as a VA, way back 2022. Parang naka $5 na ako nun eh. Ikaw nga is dumaan ka ng $1, tapos marami pa tayong mga issues ngayon na nagrereklamo yung iba na ka-start na lang na $3 daw, $2 lang. So everyone, especially kayo sir na ang tagal na sa industry, nag-start talaga from free or $1 lang per hour, and 'di ba? Di naman talaga forever na andun talaga tayo na rate, and
Totoo.
you have to be patient lang talaga kasi ganun, one step at a time lang kasi hindi naman like pagpasok mo sa industry na 'to milyonaryo ka na agad gano'n. So
Yes.
yung iba
Tapos maraming
after
maraming
5 years pa.
competition na ngayon. Oh, maraming
Yes, ang
competition na
daming
din, 'di ba?
competition. Masyadong na, parang masyadong malaki na talaga ang freelancing industry, ang virtual assistant industry. So, di siya basta-basta. So, you have to be competitive talaga. Hindi lang parang, okay, focus lang ako nito. Hindi na ako mag-improve ng skills ko. Ito lang, ganun. And yung sinabi mo na you need someone or a mentor, parang yun yung, parang ang masasabi ko yun talaga yung importante yun. Isa sa mga big factor na
Yes.
kailangan mo bago ka maging VA or a freelancer. Kasi ako parang naging mentor ko is yung husband ko kasi siya yung nauna. So at least I have him to coach me na, yung resume mo pangit masyado, dapat ganito lang, ganyan ganon. Yung
Yun.
the way ka mag-answer ng mga during interview parang may kulang. So ayun, thank you for sharing that, sir. But before we will end,
Thank you din.
baka pwede i-share mo yung, since may segment ka din dito, may new segment ka dito sa the VA
Yes.
Radio, which is yung The Freelancer's Mindset, and we'll start
Yes.
this Saturday. Baka pwede mo i-share yun, yung abangan nila.
Yes. So abangan nyo yan guys. By the way, hindi pa ito this Saturday, but next
Okay.
next week pa. So
Okay.
abangan nyo yan, but marami tayong share dito. Yung mga strategy na ginagamit ko for 15 years, dito ko siya i-share, no? And syempre iba kasi yung may experience kaysa sa yung nalaman din niya tapos iti-train. So marami kasi ako mga kakilala dati na naging milyonaryo sa e-commerce for 1 month, 2 months, nagiging coaches na, nagtitrain na ng ganito. But here guys, I'm going to share you my 15 years of experience sa industriya, no? If
Wow.
it's either magsa-start ka ng pagiging VA or freelancer, or nahihirapan kang kumuha ng clients, or
Mm-mm.
gusto mong improve pa yung skills mo, if you want to focus on providing SEO services, I'm the right person na tutulong sa So join here. This is a free event, no? Gagawin
Yeah,
natin 'yan twice a month, every Saturday.
every
So
Saturday.
yeah, we will share you the link na lang, and yeah, I'm your host, and I'm going to share value here sa community ng the VA Radio with Ma'am Marjorie. And yeah,
Right.
invite me here. Grabe, napakabait ng tao na yon, si Sir Ray. And yeah, he's also
Yes.
helping a lot of people.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sir Sir Kirk, for your skills na i-share mo sa amin. Hindi kami nag-expect nito, pero thank you so much for your heart to share din yung itong pa-free na freelancers mindset for 15 years. For sure, hindi lang kulang yung isang oras,
Mm.
isa
Wala talaga.
isang araw na mai-share mo lahat, kasi for sure ang dami mo na na-experience. So ayun, I'd like to encourage everyone to please follow the VA Radio. Please follow Sir Kirk Roldan. And at the same time, if you want to join the School of Profits, pwede po. And especially sa lahat ng mga taga Surigao dyan na nanonood, soon magkakaroon ng physical na talaga na, or on-site na yung school na
Yes.
itatayo, 'di ba? So aside
Soon.
from doing
Claim it.
online, so i-claim na natin 'yan. So again, thank you so much, Sir Kirk. Na-appreciate po namin yung time nyo, and that would be all. Maraming salamat for tuning in tonight. We'll see you again next Thursday here at the VA Radio, Pioneers Hubbard Marjorie. So again, let's keep it light and keep it moving. So thank you so much, everyone. Good night. Thank you so, Kirk. Good night.
Thank you as well, Ma'am Marjorie, Sir Ray. Appreciate your time and also dedication for helping a lot of people. And to everyone who's watching this, and also sa mga manonood ng replay, thank you so much as well. Hope you
Yes, thank you
enjoy and
so
also watch
much.
the next training. Thank you. Good
Yes,
night, everyone.
Good
Sige.
night.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Until the
guys.
next episode of the Pioneers Hub with Marjorie, right here on the VA Radio. Thank you for streaming with us.
Where you wanna be. Monday morning, coffee's brewing strong. Got my headphones on, hope nothing goes wrong. With the VA Radio boosting your scene. It's the VA Radio where you wanna be.